Hey guys, Shauna here with Whole Latte Love, and today we're going to be checking out the Wi-Fi Connect, which is an optional accessory from JURA for use on the ENA 4. This allows you to control and program your machine from your phone and opens up a couple of extra features. Alright, now let's install our Wi-Fi Connect. So on the back of the machine here, you'll see this logo. If you pull this right off, you'll see these three little tabs here. We're going to have to make sure we remember where those are. Take our Wi-Fi Connect, and plug it in right there. You can go ahead and put that logo right back on the machine. It should snap right in. And now let's go ahead and activate it in the machine. All right, now let's activate our Wi-Fi Connect within the machine's menu. To activate, we're going to go into the menu, and we can navigate over to the Wi-Fi icon here. We're going to select it with this bean button, and we're going to press the coffee button, select the bean button again, and you'll see your icons flash across the screen. And now we can connect it to our smartphone. All right, now that we have our Wi-Fi Connect installed and activated in our machine, we're going to go ahead and connect it to our phone. So you'll want to open up the J.O.E app. And when you get to the J.O.E app, you're going to go ahead and you're going to select the Wi-Fi setting. And it'll prompt you to scan the QR code that came on the back of the manual that came with the Wi-Fi Connect. So if we scan it here, it'll prompt you to join that network. And we are connected. All right, now that we're connected, we can go ahead and name our machine. So for this, I'm just going to name it the Shauna 4. Once we have it named, we can go ahead and select Next. We'll need a PIN. We'll have to enter in our Wi-Fi password as well. Once you're connected, you'll see the green check mark here that confirms that you're all set. The phone may give you a couple more instructions. You can just follow the prompts until you see this screen here. Having the J.O.E app is a serious upgrade. It allows you to brew, program your drinks, configure your settings, and even allows you to change the temperature settings on your drinks, which isn't something you can do in the machine. It is an optional upgrade, but it's one I definitely recommend.